Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter the developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got a tutorial of how to enable them. So let's check it and then let's go back to this video. So here in the developer options we have to scroll down in order to find automatic system updates option, and to activate that all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on it is active, so it means that your device will be automatically updated after restarting it. Obviously you can turn it off in the same way just by tapping on it. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.